Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. So I think my quilt boxes are actually finally catching up. So this is the March 2022 box. I know they've been a little bit behind and they've been working really hard to get all their products in and get their boxes out. So I think we're actually caught up because this is the March box and I got it right here at the beginning of April. So I'm assuming April might actually be on time, which would be awesome. Okay, so if you're new to PreCuts Classic Quilt Boxes, I will put a link on where you can get them below. You can just go to PreCutsQuiltShop.com and then if you scroll down towards the bottom of their website, they have signups for them. This is their classic box. They also have a stash builder box, which is just fabric. The classic box has patterns, notions, and fabric. So it kind of depends on what you want. They used to have a table runner box. I don't know if they still have that or not, so you'll want to check their website. But either way, all their boxes have been really, really good. Super pleased with them. They are a little bit more expensive, so they're $55 a month. So that's definitely something to take into consideration. But I always feel like I get a really good value for my box with what's inside. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the March box. Now, all of their boxes come with an insert, and last year they did do a free pattern of the month. That's not in this box, so they might be just starting a new one. So they did 12 patterns, and now we're moving on. They did send out finishing instructions for that last box as well. So she might just not be doing it this season, or maybe she's taking every other year off. I don't know. But anyways, this is the insert. It tells all the information about everything in your box, pricing, so you know what kind of value you're getting. And then also it has information on this month's feature. And so this month is featuring fabric from Robin Pickens for Moda Fabrics. And it has a little bio on the back here telling all about her fabric journey, and so that's really fun to read through, and I love getting to know the designers and just kind of, you know, inspiration behind their lines and things like that. So that's always fun to read. And then of course, if you get your boxes and share them on social media using hashtag PreCutsQuiltShop or PreCutsQuiltBox, they pick winners each month to get the next month's box for free. So make sure you share your boxes online if you are getting them. So we're just gonna dive right in and look at that beautiful plum color. This is silk finish 50 weight solid cotton thread. The colorway is Purple Passion, and it's a Metler thread again. The cost is $4 for this little spool of thread, and that color is just so beautiful and rich. I love it. And they always put a coordinating thread in their boxes, which is really nice if you're doing binding or you want to do some fancy quilting. This is so much fun. The next thing in our box are these Schmetz 9014 quilting needles, and these retail for $6. These are actually good for machine quilting and piecing, and these are usually the needles that I use almost all the time. I did suddenly, out of the blue, start having an issue with them when I was free motion quilting on my Juki. Most of you know I own a Juki TL2000 QI. I have a review for it. I will put a link for it somewhere or below. And I love that machine, but for some reason, all of a sudden, these needles were just not working. And so I went through a series of different needles to try. I've recently been using these. They are the Schmetz Universal Chrome 116. I've been using these just for my free motion quilting. You can piece with them as well, but I've been kind of saving them just for the free motion quilting. And I don't know what it is, but they've made a huge difference. Now, I actually tried these 116s not chrome, and I was still having the same problem as I was with my 9014s. So I'm wondering if maybe the chrome is actually the feature that is causing it to just glide through my fabric a lot better. And so I don't have any breaking or skip stitches. Every now and then I'll have a skip stitch, but not like I was experiencing with the 9014s. So if any of you guys have a TL2000 and you are struggling with your free motion quilting, maybe give these Chrome 116s a try and see if that helps, because that really has helped my machine quite a bit. Anyways, those did not come in the box. The 9014s came in the box. These are one of my favorite needles, so I'm super happy to see those in there. The quilt pattern for this month is called Bloomed Wheel Quilt. It finishes at 66 by 84, so it's a good size quilt. It retails for $12 for the pattern, and it's fairly easy to make. They have illustrated step-by-step instructions, and then of course they have all of your fabric recommendations on the back. It is jelly roll friendly, and they say it's a beginner intermediate level. Let's take a little look. They're printed in color, which is really nice. And so they're kind of like you open it up and then it's got the papers inside. I will say that that's not my favorite way to do patterns. I mean, if you're going to put them in book format, I kind of prefer them to just be in book format, because then all these pages get, you know, tossed all over my table and who knows what happens. I've actually cut one in half before. they have this worksheet inside so you can list, you know, your fabric and swatches and things like that. So that's actually kind of cool. You can say what thread you used, fabric designer, backing fabric, and notes. That's actually a really cool addition to the patterns. I like that you could write down your own fabric choices and all of that and just have that as like a record in your quilt pattern. So kind of cool. So that is the quilt pattern. Super cute. So the next thing in our box are these ever sewn fabric clips. There's 10 of them in there in a variety of colors. They retail for $5.99. These are a great use or alternative for pins, especially if you're going to do hand binding. You can clip your binding down so it holds it while you're sewing, so that's nice and handy. These ones look like they're a little bit fatter on these edges right here than the Wonder Clips, and I apologize that I'm mentioning Wonder Clips, but these do kind of look like a Wonder Clip knockoff, I'm not gonna lie, but they are a little bit fatter, so maybe that would work if you're having, you know, working on a larger project or something that's a little bit thicker. So these ones are by Eversewn, and they're just called craft clips. So let's get into the fabric. So we do have this beautiful 5/8 yard of fabric. This is meant to be used for the binding for your bloomed wheel pattern. It retails at $8.75, and this is a thatched fabric by Robin Pickens, so it will match the main fabric in this month's box. And then the last thing is this full-size jelly roll. This one is called Carolina Lilies by Robin Pickens. And let's just take a quick look at this. If you're new to jelly rolls, they are 2.5 by width of fabric strips, and there are 42 of them in the Moda jelly rolls. Other brands do rolls similar to this. They may have a different count though, so don't count on the 42. Make sure if it's not a Moda jelly roll that you read and see how many strips are included in it before you go to use it in a pattern. But look at how beautiful and vibrant those colors are. The description says that they include graceful ferns, fancy leaves, and painted paisley to accompany spotted florals. They feature ruby, peach, grass, and aqua colors with a few pops of teal. So she also, it looks like, has new thatched colors to complete her collection. They have 5 new solid colors to kind of go with that collection, and then this yellow that we got in our box is one of them. And you may have gotten a different color than I got. I got the yellow, so leave me a comment below letting me know if you got a different color in your box. This is just the one I got, but I could see them putting out a variety of those colors. So like I said, they are a little more expensive as far as boxes go, but you get full-size fabric in them, and so I love that because the jelly rolls alone are about 40, what I say, 46, she said $48, somewhere in there. And if you're paying $55 for the box, you're getting a pretty good deal. So, all right, so I think I love everything in this month's box. I love the thread color. It's just so rich. I love all the richness of the colors this month. I think that's just really what's standing out to me. And of course, I love that you get a full-size jelly roll. That is awesome. Now, I love this box, but I'm probably not going to use it, so I am going to give it away to one of you. So in order to enter to win, make sure to leave a comment below this video letting me know your favorite jelly roll quilt pattern. I'm going to start first and say my jelly roll jamboree is one of my favorites because it's so fast and easy. It uses an entire jelly roll, which is awesome because there's 0 waste on that, and it also turned out really, really cute. So leave me a comment below letting me know your favorite jelly roll pattern so that we can all share and get inspiration. I will pick one winner from that, and I will send you a message via YouTube messages, so make sure you're checking there, and I will get this box shipped out to you. Also, make sure you're a subscriber to my channel. That is a requirement. I want to give these goodies away to you who are supporting our channel. And then US only. I'm sorry about that, but shipping is really expensive international right now, so US only. So leave a comment, make sure you're subscribed, and US only. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.